Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase a gauge. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series exhaust pressure gauge. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, a black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. You can get it in 60 and 100 PSI. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog gauge with a color change button on the front. Also in the packaging, 5-foot 1/4-inch copper tubing, a 9-foot sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness, 2 sets of 1/8 NPT compression fittings, an exhaust pressure sensor, a mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.